We completed exercise 7.3, and now you can see I have written two examples of different types of fractions. You can see, can you see the difference here? I'll throw some light. I'll give a hint. You can see here the denominators are same, here the denominators are different. So, fractions with same denominators are called like fractions, okay? And fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. So you can say where the denominators are not same, the fractions are known as unlike. Where the denominators are same, the fractions are known as like fractions. Okay. So now, comparing fractions. Comparing fractions means, children, to find out whether which fraction is greater or which fraction is smaller. Okay. So, when we are comparing fractions, fractions can be like or unlike. Like or unlike means if fractions are like, okay, comparison, or you can say comparing, when fractions are like. Fractions are like means denominators are same. So when the denominators are same, it is very simple to find out which fraction is greater by just comparing the numerators. The numerator is the fraction. Okay? The greater is the numerator, the greater is the fraction. The smaller is the numerator, the smaller is the fraction. Okay? So when the denominators are same, small numerator, the fraction with the small numerator is considered smaller, and the fraction with the bigger numerator is considered bigger or greater, you can say. So here when we compare, who is smaller, 1 by 2 or 1 by 9 or 2 by 9 or 3 by 9? 1 by 9 is smaller. Why 1 by 9 is smaller? Because the numerator here is the smallest when we compare the three numerators given in the question when the fractions are like. Okay. This is smaller. Then after that, who is smaller? 2 is smaller than 3. Then 3. So who is the smallest? 1 by 9. Who is the greatest? 3 by 9. Okay, children. So this is small to big, you can say. Small to big. So this is ascending order, and just opposite of it is your descending order. Okay. So when we compare like fraction, it is very simple. You know why? Because when we are comparing like fractions, we just compare the numerators. The small remains small, the bigger remains bigger. Okay. So this is when we are comparing like fractions. Now when we are comparing unlike fractions, that means denominators are different. Okay. Now if I write like this, still are they unlike? Yes, they are still unlike fractions. They are still unlike fractions. Okay, only numerators are same, but still they are unlike fractions. Okay, so this is one example for unlike fractions to compare, and one more example you can take this one. Okay, now if we are comparing this fraction, these type of fractions where the numerators are same. Okay, so this type of comparison is just opposite of this type of comparison where denominators are same. Where the denominators are same, we just compare the numerators. Bigger is bigger, smaller is smaller. Okay, here also when the numerators are same, again we compare the denominators, but this time bigger is smaller and smaller is bigger. Bigger is smaller, smaller is bigger. Now how? Let's see how. Let's take a figure. The figure is divided into 4 equal parts. It is not 4 equal parts. Children, just spare me. Just believe that it is 4 equal parts. Okay. Then 5 equal parts. Then 7 equal parts. Okay. How many parts have to be shaded? 2 parts. How many parts have to be shaded? 2 parts. How many parts have to be shaded? 2 parts again. So if you compare the shaded parts, can you see the shaded parts? Who is bigger? Bigger, a little smaller, smallest. Correct? Right? Now let's go to the fractions. What did I say? When we compare a fraction where the numerators are same, then also we compare the denominators only. But in this time, not like the previous one where the denominators were same, numerator bigger is bigger, smaller is smaller. But here is just opposite. The smaller becomes bigger, the bigger becomes smaller. So when we compare 4, 5 and 7, who is smaller? 4 is smaller, तो हम इसको बड़ा बोल देंगे. Okay? Why we are saying? Because the numerators are same. Okay, numerators are same. So we are comparing the denominators, but we will go उल्टा. हम छोटे को बड़ा बोलेंगे और बड़े को छोटा बोलेंगे. तो हम छोटे को बड़ा बोलेंगे. That means किसको हम बड़ा बोलेंगे? We'll say 4 as बड़ा. Correct? Now you check the figure. Is 4 bada? 2 by 4 is bada, no? See, the more x part is shaded than these two figures. Yes? So this is the reason. Okay. When the numerators are same and we are comparing the denominators, then the smallest denominator is considered as the bigger fraction. Okay. The fraction with the smallest denominator is considered bigger and the fraction with bigger denominator is considered smaller. देखो ये सबसे छोटा है. Yes? 2 by 7. Okay, understood? So this was the story when the numerators are same. Now when neither the numerators are same nor the denominators are same, then what kind of examples can you get? What kind of examples, or you can say questions, can you get? So like for example, let's take this example again. Okay, suppose this is the example. You have to compare this. Okay, then you have to compare this. Okay, means you can get such type of examples. Okay, different types of examples when neither the numerators are same nor the denominators are same. तो हम सबका एक example समझ लेते हैं. Then this one. denominators are not same. Okay, you see first type of example where one whole number was there. So you make it a fraction how? By writing 1. Okay, here you can see 4 and 8. They both are multiple and factors of one another. Yes, so such example also you may get that one is a factor and one is a multiple. Then here nothing is common. Neither 4 is in between 4 and 5, nothing is common. Okay, then here it is more than 2 fractions. So how will you compare and how will you go ahead? Okay, so these 3 are generally the shortcuts. This is the full and final method. जब हम ना ये रास्ता अपना सकते हैं, nor this one, then we have to take this route. Okay, clear? That is aeroplane. You can say this is train. This is bus. This is your own vehicle. Okay. So let's see this one. Now you can see you have to make 4 and 1 same. You have to make the denominators same. Okay. So if you multiply this number, whatever number is here, if you multiply here, when you multiply below, you have to multiply up. Are the denominators same? Are the denominators same? Yes. Now it is very easy to compare. When the denominators are same, we just compare the numerators. 1 and 8. Who is greater? 8 is greater. So obviously this fraction is greater. So the whole number was, obviously the whole number is always greater. Okay. So this is the first way. What we did? To that one, we multiplied the number which was given here. This is completed. Then going on the second route, the second type, 4 and 8. Now, if you multiply 2 here, what will it become? This will become 2 by 8 and this will become 3 by 8. So, LCM, the denominators are same, correct? Denominators are same. That means we can compare the numerator and who is greater? 3 is greater. Now here nothing is common in between 4 and 5. Now here numerators are common, but suppose if the numerator is also not common, okay? Because हम वो वाला use कर लेंगे कि अरे numerator is same, so we compare the denominator. Okay, but if there is a plus sign, then what you will do? Then you will have to solve. You will have to make the denominators same. Okay. So now when nothing is common, very simple. This 5 gets multiplied here and this 4 gets multiplied here. Now it is multiplying down, it will multiply up. Denominators have become same? Yes? Denominators have become same. So now you compare 5 and 8. Who is greater? 8 is greater. Clear? Now coming to this one. Nothing is common. Yes? Now neither you can write 7 here, 4 here. Interchanging and multiplying will be very difficult. Yes? So what to do here? Here is the LCM method. आत्मनिर्भर. Yes? खुद से solve करो. कोई shortcut नहीं. So here you will have to find out the LCM of 4, 5 and 7. So LCM of, you will find out 4, 5 and 7. I am writing it directly. 4 5s are 20. 140. Okay, now this 140 we come and we multiply to the fractions. Correct? Now we divide 140 and 4. अब 140 और 4 को डिवाइड करने में तो you don't have to do this. Just go to the LCM. Okay, just go to the LCM. This, how do you get this 140? How will you get this 140? Like this? Okay. So if you remove 4 from there, 4. What is left? 5 7s. 5 7s is how much? 35. So 35 into 4 will give you 140. Yes. So right here 35. Now 5 and 140 you have to divide them. Again go there and hide what? Hide 5. What is left? 4 and 7. 4 7s are 24. Cut 5, cut 140 and do 24. अब This is just time saving. Okay. But if you are not able to do, नहीं समझ में आ रही है, ये छुपाना है, वो छुपाना है, it is a big confusion, maths नहीं बन रही, नहीं, no need, नहीं बन रहा है, do this one. Divide 140 and 4, divide 5 and 140, then divide 7 and 140. Now you divide 7 and 140, 7 2 are 14, 7 0 are 0. Now whatever is left, what is left? 1 is left, 35 is left, right here. Right here means your next step. My phone is working? Yeah. So 1 is left, 35 is left, LCM. 2 is left, 24 is left, LCM. 3 is left, 20 is left, LCM. Now what is your LCM, LCM, LCM? 140, that means have you made the denominators same? Yes, you have. So your main agenda was to make the denominators same, not to solve the question. You can go further if you want. Sorry. Okay. So there are four methods. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This was your C and this was your D. There are 4 methods to solve. Okay. To solve or to compare two given fractions when the numerator or the denominators are not same. First one is this, second one is this, third one is this, fourth one is this. I repeat, first one is this one where 1 is there. Okay, in any of the denominators 1 is given, just multiply with the next number, whatever number is there, automatically they will become same. When factors and multiples are there, means each other's, the numbers are factors and multiples of each other, then just multiply the number by one denominator so that you get the second denominator. That is, if you multiply 2 to 4, you will get 8. Okay, so multiply a number or whichever number you multiply with the first denominator to get the second number. This is the second one. Third one, when nothing is common, interchange and multiply. Okay, interchange and multiply. And the last one, which is LCM method. When ये तीनों नहीं applicable होंगे, तो obviously ये fourth applicable होगा. So whenever you see a fraction where the numerator and the denominator is not same, start from the first one. Is there one? Then go to the next one. Anything common? Then go to the next one. Nothing is common, can be interchange and multiply. This is generally for 2 fractions. For third, 3 fractions, 4 fractions, then you have to do this method. So interchange and multiply, nahi ho raha hai, then you go to the LCM method. Okay. Okay. So this is how we compare the fractions, the like fractions and the unlike fractions. Now there is a try these, children. Try these is given in page 148 and page 149. So we are going to do that now. Page 148. Try these. You get 1/5 of a bottle of juice and your sister gets 1/3 of the same. You get 1/5 and your sister gets 1/3. Who gets more? Who is getting more? Now what is same here? What is either the numerators are same or the denominators are same. Here the numerators are same. So when the numerators are same, we compare the denominators. But when we compare the denominators, we do ulta. Small becomes big, big becomes small. So small becomes big, big becomes small. मतलब ये बड़ा हो जाता है और ये छोटा हो जाता है. ये बड़ा हो गया है, that means this is बड़ा. Okay, so who gets more? Sister gets more. If you want, you can make the bottle also of a glass. Okay, in which divide the glass into 1/5 parts, and you are getting 1/5 of the bottle. This this much you are getting, and divide the bottle into 3 parts and compare. Who is getting more? Sister is getting more. Then try these of page, what is this, page 149. You have to compare. So first, before comparing, we check who is same. Either the denominators are same or the numerators are same. Here the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, we compare the numerators, and the bigger numerator is bigger, smaller is smaller. So who is bigger? 8. So 8 by 10. Here also the same case. Great. Then your third one is homework. You are going to do it on your own. Then question number 3, write in ascending order and also in descending order. So below it you can write in ascending and then in descending. You can see the denominators are same. That means we compare the numerators. Big remains big, small becomes small, small remains small. So who's the smallest for ascending order? 1 by 8, then 3 by 8, then 5 by 8. Descending is just opposite. 5 by 8 will come first. We all know what is ascending and descending. We have done this in chapter 1 also. Okay, with the numbers, not with the fractions. Then comes B. 1 by 5, 11 by 5. I will have to write chota here. 4, 3 and 7. 4, 3 and 7. Here also the denominators are same, children. So the small remains small and bigger becomes bigger in the numerators. Okay. So who's the smallest? 1 by 5, then 3 by 5, then 4 by 5, 4 by 5 के बाद 7 by 5, then 11 by 5. Then comes the descending order, which is just ulta. 11 by 5, 7 by 5, 4 by 5. After 4 by 5 is 3 by 5, 1 by 5. Question number 3. Your homework. Rest we are going to continue tomorrow.